Yo, it's Azzy here. Welcome back. So we're gonna do alternate interior angles now instead of corresponding angles. Do not mind the sounds coming from outside of this device that is not needed. So alternate interior angles are a pair of angles formed when a line called transversal cuts across two other lines. So it's basically like corresponding angles, but they lie on the inner side of the two crossed lines, or this part right here. These parts, like this part right here, the one that I'm trying to show you guys, one like inside of those two lines. So the thing about interior and alternate interior angles is that they're both congruent. That means they're the same, like they're both equal, or they're both the same. So that means angle E, or this angle, or the first interior angle there is equals to angle C, or this angle, the second interior angle. Then they have to be both opposite sides, because if you put an angle right here, that's not an alternate interior angle anymore. That's a same side interior angle now. And same side interior angles are supplementary, but that's for another video. So if angle E is equals to 11 degrees, that would mean angle C would also equal 11 degrees. Do y'all understand? So now we can put this equation that I put up right here right together, put them right beside each other, and this is gonna be the way to find the missing value for y. Okay, you can do two ways. I've showed this in the corresponding angle thing. You can do two ways of this. You could do on the bottom of the constants or the variables, or on the sides. Either way, it's fine. And if you can do both, you want or something, I don't care anymore. Which it depends on what you prefer more. So let's do this. Additional property of equality, reverse -9 becomes +9. So these cancel out. You bring down 11y, put an equal sign. 36 plus 9. 36 plus 9, it's 45. So now we get 11y equals 6y plus 45. Also, I have a way to do this, like without the whole negatives thing. I usually do the smaller constant first before the larger one. So the smaller constant first is of course -9, and we did -9, and we got this. It's actually, you can do -36 as well or something. It also depends on what you depends on what you prefer. So now let's isolate constant 45. What do? We do addition property of equality for 6y. So we reverse +6y and turn it into -6y on both sides as well. So 11y minus 6y is 5y. Wait, and 6y, +6y and -6y cancels out. So now we only have 5y equals to 45. Now we divide both by 5, since we need to get y, and we still have a constant term right next to it. And to get that constant term out, we have to divide both of them by 5. So 5y divided by 5, it's y. And 45 divided by 5 is equals to 9. And that's about it. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye. Watch my other video, please. I'm gonna take a break. Bye. Thank you. Like and subscribe, please. Like and subscribe. Sucker bribe. Yeah. Sucker bribe.